I hope guys my screen is visible for you, right? If I'm not wrong. So, so last time we saw what is this Power BI, how to do these things, what is the filter, what is the data, what is the build, what is the format, and what is this thing selections. Okay. So if you will download in your lab, so you could find out these options. Okay. Now I want to import this Excel data. So I just click on here and I am just opening this. It's a very simple and you can able to see like I have to select the data. So I'm selecting the data. So when I selected the data, so here it's showing the load and transfer. So this is nothing but the all the columns. So I told you, right? If it is, you will click on the transform. Okay. When you will click the transform, you can able to see in all the columns are appearing. So in here, if you want to do any modification, for example, the section ID I don't need. So what I will do, click and remove. So I can remove that column. So whatever the things you want to do, you can do it. Okay. So if I will, it's showing the remove column. So if I will click this, if I will click this cross, so it will reappear. It's a undo. Okay. Now as of all, I don't want to, so I just remove this. Okay. So now, according to me, it's everything is fine. So let me load this data. So load. If you want to load this data, then what you have to do is you have to go here. There is a close and apply button. Just click here. So just close and apply. Give a close and apply. So it will load here. Okay. Okay. This is what we saw. Okay. So now if I will click on this data, so I will get this. Look, see the data is appearing here. So these are the columns I have. Okay. So last time, see, this is the what is the measure? We used to say this is the measure. Measure in the sense, sorry, not measure, it's a calculated column. Okay. So in this image, this is something it's called as the sales data. It's kind of the measure. So here in Power BI, so we do have the two things. One is okay. Now we are going to see something. It's called as a dash function. Dash function. Okay. What is the dash function? So so I hope guys let's see what is a dash function. Okay. So so this is the dash. Okay, dash. So the in Excel we used to use the formula, right? Some formula, add formula, that is which is we used to call as the aggregation functions, right? Subtraction, plus multiplication, division. So everything have the formula. So same things here also we have the some formula which is we used to call as the dash function. Okay. So what is a dash function is the library of the function and the operators that can be combined to build the formula and express used by the Microsoft BI tools. Dash is also known as a function language where the full code is kept inside the function. Okay, where dash function can use wherever where function can be used. Okay, one place is Power BI. You can use this in Power BI. Okay, and after that, you can also use the Power Pile, Power Pivot or Pivot. You can say anything in Excel. Okay, in Excel. And the third place you can use it in the SAS, SAS tabular model. And after that, you can use that into the Azure. Of course, Azure is the one of the cloud platform of this Microsoft. So you can use this into the there also. Okay. So even though guys, if you will go and type, uh, if you will go and type the app, Power BI app powerbi.com. Okay. If you will go and do that now, it will ask you. So you can give your email ID, you can do the registration. So what it will do is, whatever the things you are locally doing in your laptop, you can publish that into your web, so that you can by using your mobile, you can see that. Even though from your mobile, you can do the edit your reports. So that is a use of the web, that is a use of the app powerbi.com, that web link. Okay, that is also you can give a try. So let's see what is a dash function. Now we saw what is a dash function. Let's see, for example, I have the sales data. Uh, Let me take. Okay, so before going to teach this, I just want to also show you guys. So these are the platform where you can use this dash function, right? And apart from that, here we have two things. One is the calculated column, calculated column. Okay, and after that we do have the measure. Okay, so what is the calculated column? Calculated column is nothing but the expand table by creating the new column. For example, if you have the two columns, for example, let's go to our Power BI. Here I can go, I can see my table. So here, what are the two things we have? For example, uh, here I have the product name and the product category. Okay, I have the two columns. If I want to, using these both the columns, I want to create one more column on the basis of this, then what I can say, that is called as the calculated column. For example, even you can't perform that if you want to cost per unit and selling per unit. Okay, so per unit cost wise, if you want to do this both the things multiplication, and you want to find the each quantity price, selling price. Okay, or on the basis of cost, you want to find out the each quantity selling price. Then what you can just easily you can multiply this both the columns with the each and every row with this and this and this. Then you can create a new column. That is you can call as the calculated column. Okay, understood? And when you will create the new calculated column, obviously that will also take your memory. Okay, and apart from something, it's called as the measure. Measure is nothing but the summarizing the data into the single value. Okay, nothing but the you're just calculating all the value and you're just summarizing into something in single value, but that value is not appear in this table. That will be invisible. But if you want to, if you like to use that particular column, then you can use it, but it won't you can't find that inside the table. So that is called as the measure. Okay, so I hope you guys are able to get my point. So let's see here the cost. Do we have the cost? Okay, we don't have the cost. So let me go and let me take one more table. Just go here, Excel, go here. I just want to take the one more table. Mm, Okay, okay. Let me now, as of now, just I want to do this some calculation on the basis of this. Okay. So now I just want to what I have to do is uh, you can able to see here. I have the customer name, and after that I just want to merge this both the column. Okay, product name and the product category. I want to merge this column. So what can I do is I can go here, just click here, and after that here you can able to see the appear new column, or else just click the right click. So here also you can see the new column. So here you can so here is the column. So here you can give the uh, any name. So let me give the product item. Okay, I'm giving the product item, and after that, what I just this is the variable name. So which product item I just want to merge? I want to merge this product category and product name. So let me give the uh, product product category, and if you want to merge, you can use the and symbol. And after that, here I'm just giving the tab inside the. So this is the string, right? If anything is the string, then you have to give it the hyphen. I want to give the hyphen, but the string format. If you want to do the concatenate is nothing but the if you want to do merge both this column, then you can use this and. Okay, so again I have to give the and now here I will give the product. What is the product name? Okay, so now I just want to merge both the columns. So I have written these things and give a enter. When you will give a enter, you can able to see the on the basis of the product item, there is a one column is created. So if I will plot this and if I will say product item, if you will click, so you can see. Let's go to the format, value, let me increase in the size. See, so we as of all now, we just merge both the columns according to the product category and after the product name, right? By just giving the hyphen. Have you guys understood how we have did this? So please give a try from your end. Let me share you this data. Last time I shared this data with you guys.
No, sir.
Okay, let me share this data so you can also perform the things. The Power BI is the very important topic for as a data analytics. So we will very slowly we will go. Please, I suggest everyone to perform this. Let me share my screen. Guys, done? Did anyone facing any issue while doing this? Please unmute yourself and ask me. I'm ready to teach you because this is the basic. If you don't know how to code, how to write this code, then it's really very tough in future for you. So please ask. And once you're done, please let me know via chat. Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you, Maggie, for the confirmation. Okay. So now I want to create the sales amount, right? Here you're able to see the sales amount, which is the um, calculated column. So using this calculated column, I want to do something. So I'm just going here. I'm saying, okay, क्या है? Sales amount. So if you can see here, just I want to click on this, or just click on the right, any column, just click any column. Could you able to see the measure, new measure? Just click on the new measure. It will lead here. So I want to do the sum. So let me say total sales. I want to see what is the total sales. So how you will do this total sales sum. Here, I just want to say the first one. This is nothing but it's saying the table name. What is the table name here? We have the table name is the data. So we gave the data. So when you have the multiple tables at the time, you can give the table name. Even though if now you will not give the table name, it's okay. But good practice to give the table name. And after that, if you are writing anything if you want to write the column name, then you have to give in the square bracket. Okay. So sales. So here you can able to say it, right? Sales and close the bracket. Okay. Now I'm just entering. If you will see, there is the one total sales karke, there is a one measure was created here, but you can't see that measure here. Last time we created the product item, which you can see here, but now we created the measure, which you can't see here, but it's available there. Okay, how you can recognize whether it's available or not? Go here. Let me keep this inside. If you want to check the measure, so you can't check the measure via table. If I will say like, समझ लो यहाँ पे I have the one table. If I will put the total sales, right? So here you can able to see the total sales, but it's showing like this. If I will put this into measure, sorry, in the slicing, right, a graph, you can't put this measure. So you can put this into the table, or else you can put this into this card. See, the total value is nothing but the 5 million. So it's saying the 5 million. So I don't want this 5M. I want the exact value. So just click on the, if you will putting that into here, then inside the field you can see, able to see. Agar if you are applying any filter here, so that column you can see inside the filter. Sorry, fields. So you just right click on the field. You can change that from here. So on the basis of the percentage or on the basis of anything, if you want to change, then you can change it from here. Or if you want to keep anything. Okay, so first of all, guys, you can just try this one. After that, I will tell you what. Just guys, perform this one. Mary, you're using the Power BI, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you please share your screen? Your perform from your on screen.
Yeah, sure, sir. 2 minutes.
Recording in progress.
Are you sharing? Maybe are you sharing? Okay, so Mantra, can you please allow the participant to share their screen? Mantra, are you there? Mary, can you please try now? Okay, so now you are getting these things. Okay, so now go to this new column. Uh, Go to the top modeling. There is a modeling tab, right? Okay. In the modeling tab, you guys can find many things, right? There is a new measure, quick measure, new column, new table. So now click on the new column. So now we will calculate the profit. Profit. Okay. So give the profit column करके heading variables का नाम. Give the profit column as a variable and select the sales amount minus cost amount. Just type the sales amount. Oh, okay. So no, you are using the wrong table. You have to select the sale data table. Go to the home. Go to home. Mary, can you please unmute yourself and go to home? Here, just upload the new file. New file. Excel file. Excel workbook. And the first option is there, right? Why you want to go here? I shared recently I shared one data, right? Data set in chat. You guys are not downloaded that. Okay, click on the data table. Click on the data. Even though there is not this is not a file which I shared now. Can you please download that file? Is there anyone who downloaded that file and is there anyone who downloaded that file and who want to? Okay, meanwhile, Mary, can you please download that from the chat and you can use it? Again, I'm shared that file. Okay. Okay, guys, let me share my screen and just see here. Okay. So now what I have to do is I just want to go to the modeling and I have to go to the new column. Okay. So inside the new columns, just I want to create the some calculation. So what I can do is like for example, this is the profit column. I just gave this name profit column. And after that, now I just want to say this is from the data. So data, and after that, open the square bracket. Just give like a sales amount. I'm picking the sales amount minus again. If I will say data and data after that tab and me just the cost amount. Now just enter. So now we will get the profit column as a data sales amount minus cost amount. Okay. So if you will see the profit column. So now we created the column. So now you can do this. I'm just creating the table. See, there is a total profit column. Just drag and drop. Okay, so if I will click on this, so now we will what we did is we just we did the sum minus profit column, we just minus the what? We minus the sales amount minus the cost amount. So we got this value. If I want to change this value, like for example, I want to take the average of this value, I can say this. Just right click on here and just take the maximum. So you will get the maximum. Whatever the things you want to perform. Okay, distinct count. You want to perform, then these are the distinct count. 3 labels, data are available inside this. Okay, so this kind of the things you can do. Okay, and apart from that, if I want to see, like I want to create the pie chart. So this is the pie chart. On the basis, what basis I want the pie chart? I want basis of the product category. And after that, profit. See, now on the basis of profit and product category, I got it. So now I can able to see this all are the looking very small. I want to increase their size. Just go to the format tab. In the format tab, like you can able to see the region, not present. Values. You can increase this values. Okay. So here also you can see these are the slices. If I want to increase the size of this text, I can increase. Okay, so this manner I can do these things. Okay, using this form. Now what I have to do is, so this is called as a filter. In this filter, if I will click on the greater than is equal to, I want, for example, if I'm saying is and I'm writing is a formal. Same name you have to write here. Formal, and it's not available because it's not a number. So you can do this kind of the things. Okay, once you created this plot, right? If you will click here, on the basis it will change the things. Okay, so if you are changing something here, it will also affect here. Okay, because whatever the things it will act as a one kind of the report. You don't a dashboard kind of, it will act as a dashboard in the sense, like if you are making any changes in any one visual, then it will affect every visual which is in this page. Okay, that is called as kind of the dashboard. Okay, so you can do these things by using here. You guys have got it. Okay, so for example, if I want to give the sum of the profit by the product category, like I want to change this title. So what I have to do is go here, go to the title, sum of the product. So this is just change this as the pie chart for profit. So you can see it's totally changed. But I want to increase its size. So you can increase their size by here. If you want to give the bold color, you can give. If you want to change the color, you can change from here. Okay, if you want to bring that into center, you can bring it into the center. So this kind of the formatting you can do and you can present your graph. Okay, guys, you can also try this. Okay, so guys, now you have the one task for you guys. Okay, so now what I want you from now, you have to we have the two column. One is the sales amount, one is the cost amount. Okay, you have to take the sum for the each column, and you have to minus both the sum. Okay, you have to take the sum for each column, and you have to separate both the column, and you have to store it into the some profit measure करके one. Okay, so can you able to create this measure? You have to create one measure. Inside the measure, you have to take the two columns. One is the sum of the sales amount minus sum of the cost amount. And after that, whatever the value you are getting, you have to put into this card, or you can put into this table. Okay, anywhere you can put and you can show me. So this is your task. Do it now. Guys, did anyone completed the task? What about the Mary, Akhilesh, Shivani? Okay, so this is your answer of what, Mary? 1.03. Asha, okay. So actually, I don't want to see the answer. Answer is not a matter. I just want to see your, calculation, how you applied that measure. If it is possible, just copy that, paste it for everyone. So let everyone to see. Mhm. No, 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 no. You forgot to apply the sum. Where is the sum? When you two time you just okay. Let me take your answer itself. So let me take your answer itself. Let me create. So this is the new column, new measure. So this, that is also I could not able to copy right from here. Okay. Profit, profit of profit of sales. Okay. So this is what you have. So you have to say sum, and after that data, then which is cost amount, right? And after that minus, and again you have to say sum. Okay. Sum, and after that, just a minute, I'm getting a phone. Data, and after that which column I told you guys? Customer ID and the sales amount, right? Data, something, it's minus Yeah, so this is the formula, okay. So this is what I want to showcase to you. So let me take this profit of sales. I just want to see. This is what I just want. The answer. Got it, Mary? You have to take the sum for the both the column. You understood? Okay, so I hope you guys you got on this month. Okay, from the next class, right? I will from the next class, maybe I will try to take the 2 hours class. Okay, so even I will ask them to conduct one class or two class in between the weekdays. Okay, in evening. Okay, so maybe morning you will get the message or afternoon you will get the message. So please try to attend the class. So probably I will schedule after the 6 p.m. Okay, guys, thank you for your time.